customers here with me today, and we are going to be, as I've said, giving this a maintenance wash. So I'm going to talk through some of the products. We're going to have a little look around the car afterwards, and really just try and get this car looking glossy and looking nice again. It has been coated before, previously. The owner is a real enthusiast, does a lot of the work himself, which is fantastic. So again, he's here to learn and look at some of the procedures and hopefully take some of those home. So yeah, M5, F10, lots of beautiful modifications, wonderful car. I absolutely adore this colour. I'm a big fan of the blues, these kind of BMW blues. Yeah, gorgeous. We've got custom forged wheels, lots of 30th edition Jare parts, carbon parts, but we'll have a look at those later, so let's get on with it. Okay, so for first things first, the snow foam. We are using Gentle from Koshkemi, excellent product. Again, it just does what it says in the tin, very gentle. The car isn't heavily soiled, as you can see, but we're still going to go through the process. The shampoo we are using is CarPro Reset. This is my go-to. Remember, this is my preference of doing things. Everybody has a different way. The CarPro Reset is specifically for coated cars and helping to rejuvenate those coatings. So this is what we're going to use today. Everything. I always do an initial rinse. I'm sure there'll be loads of people that tell me that that's a waste of water, but I do. That's just my way of doing it. Snow foam. Snow foam. We're going to go with a nice thick. Not a good idea to leave it on the floor. We are going to go with a nice thick foam. Nice thick foam. Start at the front. You don't want it that thick that it's like shaving cream and it doesn't move. You do want it to move. You know, it might not look great for the Instagram pictures, but you do want the foam to move. So the whole idea is, as a lot of you guys know, we're pulling off the bigger pieces of debris, we're pulling off the larger pieces of fallout. So I'm moving to my handheld camera because the other one's full, but we're at the end of the process now anyway. I'm now using a liquid drying aid, quick detailer, whatever you want to call it. This one is got a wax content to try and basically a top gloss. The customer wants the car glossier, so that's what we're going to do. I think it's really going to come out well. So we use 200ml to a litre. It's a drying aid, so we're just going to spray it on and see the results. I'm sorry I can't do this while you are watching, but I need both hands. That is a car. Look at it. God, I love this job.